Today we're showcasing SeedProd. Password protected pages are a great way to protect valuable content on your website. And if done correctly, they're also a great way to grow your email list on your site. The problem is the default password protected pages don't look great on your website, and there's no easy way to customize them without knowing how to code. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily customize your password protected pages, and I'll show you how to optimize it for your website's brand. And make sure you stick around to the end because I'll show you a simple yet powerful way you can grow your email list just by using a customized password protected page on your site. Hey there, I'm Christina with WP Beginner, where we teach all about WordPress so you can grow your website and reach your audience. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the WordPress tutorials. So let's dive in. First off, if you have a page that you want to protect, the typical way that you do it is you can go into the page, and under visibility, you can click on this and then password protect it. When you do that though, that's where we talk about where you get kind of a standard password, but you don't get to customize it. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to leave this public, so for anyone to see, and we're going to use a plugin. The plugin that we're going to use is called SeedProd. It does several different things, but what we're going to use this for is to create a custom password protected screen that then they'll have to put in a password before they can see the page. SeedProd is our sister company, and they're doing a lot of really cool things. It's one of my favorite plugins to use right now. And I even talked with the co-founder, John Turner, and I talked him into giving you a discount code. So if you use WPB VIP when you get this, then you'll get a good discount. The cool thing about it is if you're in any kind of marketing or if you're trying to do any kind of sales or webinar or thank you pages, then you can set them up really easily for this. Or in our case, we're going to customize a password protected page. So once you create the account and log in, you'll want to download SeedProd. So we'll go to downloads, and scrolling down, you're looking for the download landing page plugin. So you want to download that locally. While we're on the page, you also want to go ahead and click on the copy license key, and then we can head back over to our WordPress dashboard. From here, we want to go to plugins, add new, and instead of searching for one, we're going to upload a plugin, choose file, go and find where we downloaded it, and we can upload. We want to install now. You also want to click activate plugin as well. Great. Now you'll see a page like this where we need to go ahead and enter our license key. We already copied it, so let's just paste it. Then we can verify the key. Should get a green check mark that everything has been verified, and you could create a landing page from here. For me, I want to show you what we can do with it. So we're going to go to pages. For this, we're setting up a coming soon page. We're not using it for a coming soon page, but the coming soon functionality allows you to password protect any page that you want, including the whole site. So let's click on set up a coming soon page. And right out of the box, you have all of these templates that you can choose from to customize your page and set it up how you want. You can set this up with your branding and things like that. You can do something really simple because we're effectively password protecting a page. And so this is just the face of it to encourage them to put in the password that they know. So I want a simple one. So I'm going to choose this one. You can choose any of these. And what's great about this is now you have the ability to customize it however you want. So we're going to remove some items that I don't want, add some items that I do want to maybe do an image. I love this because you can either upload your own images or right from here, you can use over 2 million stock images that they have. And maybe I'll do some kind of stop, customize the page. Cool. And you can add whatever other branding that you want for your site. You see over here, there are just a ton of buttons and blocks to choose from to really make this look however you want this to look. For this, we need to add basically a password area so that they can enter their password. So in order to do that, we're going to use custom HTML, and I'm going to drag it over here, and I want to put it here. And it's going to say enter your HTML. And then the information that we want to enter is actually the short code. And we'll have this in the description below. And this is the part where you want to return it. So once they enter the password, it's going to take them to the page. And we need to make this the URL of the page that we're wanting to protect. So I need to go and find that. We can view the page. This is one I want to password protect. So I'm going to copy this URL. We'll head back over to the builder. And that's what I want to put in here. I want to put it inside the single quotes and paste it. And then once you do that, once they enter the password, then they'll be redirected to this protected page. You can fill out any and all of the other information that you want. If you want to have a video or even a snippet of the protected information to let them know what they're getting, that's something that you can do here as well. I'm going to keep this simple on the design side. And so this is what that will look like. What we can do now is come over to page settings. You want to go to access control because this is where it controls how to let people in. And then under bypass URL, you want to enter basically the password. So something like let me in. And the cool thing is you can either use this whole URL. So you could send this out in an email, and if they click on it, then they'll have access. They don't even have to type in the password, but you can also give them the password, let me in, and then I'll show you what that will look like. The bypass URL expires. You can set this up to have it expire however long, and then they'll have to enter the password again, or they'll have to click on this bypass URL again. Scrolling down, you can choose what roles to be able to access the page without using the password. By default, anybody who's logged in can see it. And then the include exclude URLs. So this is where it will show on the whole website. We don't want that. We actually want it to show on specific URLs. So I'm going to click on include in URLs, and we want to add the URL of the page that we're protecting, and that is good to go. So we'll click save. And now what we need to do is we need to exit out of here, and under coming soon, we see it's still showing inactive. We need to go ahead and click it to go live. So now we can preview it. And this is what it looks like on the site. Anyone who wants to access this, they need to enter the super secret password that we had. So once they enter the password, then it will take them to this page. So very easy way to customize your password protected pages so that they can be brandable for your website. A couple of things to keep in mind. This is really best used for like one page. If you're really trying to get into role-based or access multiple pages and giving different groups different access, then you would want to look into something like WordPress, which is all about setting up a membership site, and different levels have different access to different content on your site. And you can check out this video where I'll walk you through how to set up a membership site using WordPress on your site. Now, the bonus thing about this is you can grow your email list with this password protected page just by doing one extra thing. So if we go back over to the design area, the page is password protected. We're going to add a new one. I'm going to put this down here. You can set this up here, and we want to tell them if you want access, just sign up to our email list. And if we go back, scrolling down under advanced, there's an opt-in form area. So let's add that opt-in form underneath. If you want access, you can sign up. Let's go ahead and customize this opt-in form. First, I like the name above the email and the opt-in confirmation. If you scroll down and you click on the button, you can customize the button name, and under the success action, so once they do enter it, this is what they will see, something like that. And then once they fill it out, they'll see that. You could also redirect them to another page, but we want to keep this simple. And then under connections, you see that they have integrations with most of the major email service providers. So you can just pick the one and then create your list. And then the cool thing about this, if you create a specific list just for this, then you could set it up to automatically respond with the password, but then you can grow your email list just by setting this up. Once you have everything, then you can preview it, make sure it all looks okay for you. And now you've created a customized password protect page. You've also set it up to grow your email list and so much more. So let me know in the comments below, will you use the bonus feature to grow your email list? And thanks for watching.